Hello and welcome to the source course for Prezi.com. Prezi is an innovative online presentation tool that replaces traditional slides with a single, infinite zooming canvas. Shown now is the final product that we'll go over how to create. To begin the awesomeness, go to Prezi.com. Click Sign Up in the top right-hand corner. Prezi provides extra benefits if you're a student or teacher, so click Student Teacher Licenses, and under Edu Enjoy, click Get. You must enter your Crimson email account to get these benefits. Click Continue, and you'll receive an email. Click New Prezi, and fill out some basic information. Everything with Prezi starts with a simple double click. The first double click you'll probably make is the title of your presentation. Clicking the text you've typed brings up the zebra menu. The middle of the zebra allows you to click and drag the different information across the screen. The second ring allows you to drag out and in to change the size, and the outside wheel changes the rotation of all text. To make the best Prezi possible, we suggest grouping similar information. First, zoom out with the right-hand zoom bar. For this Prezi, we're going to group with circles. To do this, go to Frame, select the circle, and draw 3 circles because we have 3 main groups in our presentation. If you'd like to make an exact copy of some item on your Prezi, click Ctrl-D. To delete an item, just click on it once and click the Delete button. For this Prezi, the first circle will be Location. You'll notice that we rotated this circular frame a few degrees to the left. You'll see the circle darkens when the 2 elements are at the same rotation. Use the middle part of the zebra to move it, and that part's done. To avoid continuously rotating items, if you click the spacebar and click any item, Prezi will make that item stand right side up. Clicking the spacebar again will allow you to edit this information as if it were standing in a 90-degree angle. To insert media files into Prezi, look at the top left bubble menu, click Insert, and choose the type of media you liked. I'm going to try to insert a picture by clicking Load File and selecting the item I'd like. Once the item has loaded, single-clicking it will bring up the zebra menu to continue editing. To see all the progress you've made, click the spacebar once and click anywhere in the background, and you can see your whole presentation as it is now. If you can't tell the circle is rotated, just find the arrow that indicates where the top of the circle is. Because the source's purpose has 2 main points, I'll make them both this middle font option. To make 2 text items match the same size, use the zebra menu to scale an item up until the desired match becomes shadowed. To show connectivity between items, look at your bubble menu at the top left, go to Insert, Shapes, and click the arrow button. Click and drag from the first item to where you'd like to connect it, and Prezi automatically draws the arrow. While Prezi does automatically save changes periodically, it's important to manually save after critical changes have been made. To do so, click the Save button at the top of the screen. I've almost finished adding information to our third bubble, Resources, but I'd like to add a YouTube video about Get On Board Day. To do so, I'll go to Insert, click the YouTube link, and then just copy the URL of the video and click OK. You can edit with the zebra bar. To create the natural flow from one element to the next, click on Path in the bubble menu and click Add. Select the element you'd like to start with and move from there. To see what the first 3 paths look like, on the bubble menu at the top left, go to Show and use your left and right arrow keys. There's our first path. Click the right arrow key to see the second path, and again to see the third path. Hitting the spacebar will end the presentation. You can click and drag the numbers to reorder the paths, and to delete a path, click and drag it into the background and let go. If you make a mistake throughout the entire Prezi process, make sure to use the Undo button. As you can see, I finished all the paths, and you may notice that I've made the first and the last path the main title. This creates for nice continuity in your presentation. One final note, throughout this editing process you can change the color and theme for your Prezi. Under the bubble menu, click Colors, and you can select different themes. Once you've finished everything with your presentation, save it and exit out of the editor. If you plan to present your Prezi offline, choose Download and select the Offline option. That concludes the source course on Prezi, but make sure to check out Prezi.com for more tutorials on advanced features. If you'd like more information on running student organizations efficiently, check out thesource.ua.edu. Thank you.